Hey guys, sorry I haven't posted in a while, but today I'm going to be starting a project where I build a go-kart from a lawnmower engine. Before we get into the video, be sure to like and subscribe. So, before we get too far into this project, I just want all of you to know that this is a learning experience for me, and finishing this project might not be a realistic goal between my limited budget and time. I'm not saying that I won't finish this project, but it's only day one, so I can't tell you that for sure. Anyway, the lawnmower we will be using is a personal pace Toro recycler. It uses a 190cc Briggs & Stratton engine, and based on the sticker on the side, it's from the mid-90s. The first day of this project was dedicated to taking apart the lawnmower. By taking it apart and seeing if it'll run, I can scope out what I'm going to be dealing with in the future of the project. The first thing we did is attempted to start it. The last time it was running, it died out, so we had our fingers crossed that it would start. Surprisingly, it did, and relatively quickly. It ran for the better part of a minute before we turned it off. From the cloud of smoke, we can tell that it's probably burning some oil, which could be from a variety of issues. Anyway, from this, we can tell that it'll run, but we don't know how long for sure it'll run before dying out again. And we also don't know for sure what we will have to do to the internals to make it run cleaner. Afterwards, we started taking it apart. Just for today, we took apart the easy stuff, like the handlebar, the plastic safety features, and the blade. Even on the first day of the project, I actually learned some stuff from the ingenious components of the lawnmower. For example, to make this a personal pace mower, the designers added a belt that connected the drive shaft to the mower's version of a transmission located near the rear wheels. If the secondary bar on the handlebar was disengaged, the belt would spin freely, only being connected to the drive shaft. However, when one would engage the secondary bar, that would rock the whole transmission casing on a single pin towards the user. That would increase friction on the belt and transfer some of the power produced by the engine to the rear wheels. I'm not sure if I'm going to plan on incorporating this component in my go-kart, but I'm definitely going to keep it once it's taken apart, just in case. Well, that's pretty much all of the highlights from day one of the project. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on this project and other uploads. Thanks!